Hi students, coordinate geometry, chapter 3. So what is coordinate geometry? A system of geometry where the position of points on the plane is described using an ordered pair of numbers. So founder of coordinate geometry, so the French mathematician René Descartes. So we'll discuss here first about him. René Descartes, the great French mathematician of the 17th century, liked to lie in bed and think. One day, when resting in bed, he solved the problem of describing the position of a point in a plane. His method was developed of that older idea of latitude and longitude. In honor of Descartes, the system used for describing the position of a point in a plane is called known as the Cartesian system. What is Cartesian system? So is a Cartesian system is a plane. Now, if you observe that the axis divide the plane into four parts. These four parts are called quadrants. One fourth part, like number like 1, 2, 3, 4, anti-clockwise OX, like because this is the way you have to give the names. The plane consists of the axis and these quadrants. We call the plane the Cartesian plane or the coordinate plane or the XY plane. The axes are called coordinate axis. Very simple here. So we are saying that horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. Like here, horizontal line is called x-axis, vertical line is called y-axis. The intersection point of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. So here, above that, like they both are intersecting at origin. So above the origin on y-axis, all are positive. On y-axis, below the origin is negative. Same like this, right side, like so. Right position of this origin, all are positive, all are negative. So the plane divided into four parts: first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. What you have to remember here: first quadrant, both x quadrant and y quadrant both are positive. So x coordinate, y coordinate both are like x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. So here both are negative. One is positive, one is negative. So already we discussed here. Now the horizontal line is called x-axis. The vertical line is called y-axis. So if you take any point like here, so here they given you abscissa x coordinate -5, ordinate y coordinate 2. So we write points -5 comma 2. So where is the -5 comma 2? So -5 comma 2 here. So b value is -5 comma 2. So generally you ask what is abscissa. So in coordinates, x coordinate is called abscissa. I repeat, x coordinate is called abscissa. That is first element, like if you take -3 comma -2 consider. So -3 is called abscissa, -2 is called ordinate. Like so here ordinate is the second value. First value is abscissa, second value ordinate. This is one like example, some like the coordinates of b. So here b is there. So minus, always you have to use x coordinates first. So -5 comma 2. If you take the coordinates of c, c values are 5 comma -5. So x value first. So 5 comma -5. Now third, the point, identify the coordinates -3 comma 5. -3 comma 5. So if you take minus 3 comma, both are negative. So it will come to the minus 3 comma minus 5. So indicated by H. So like that we can solve that. How many quadrants are there? We know that 4 quadrants. So plotting a point in the plane if its coordinates are given. So here first, like observe this figure, minus 3x coordinate, y coordinate. This is called point, name of the point. Now, so we'll plot the points like this. They given 2 comma 3. So 2 and 3. So here x coordinate 2. So that's why we'll plot and we'll give the name for that if is needed. So here I want to tell you minus 5 comma 0. Minus 5 comma 0 means, so here y coordinate is 0. So this value in x-axis 0 comma 5, x value 0. So it will come on y-axis. So they are saying, what I want to say here, 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 5 both are not equal. In example above, you see that 5 comma 0 and 0 comma 5 are not at the same position. Similarly, 5 comma 2 and 2 comma 5 also different positions. Minus 3 comma 5 and 5 comma 3 are at the different positions. So if you observe like that, if x is equal to y only, the both coordinates are equal. So if you observe here, first one, name the quadrant in which of the point, which the point lies. 1 comma 1 both are positive, so in first coordinate. 2 comma 4 both are positive, first quadrant. Minus 3 comma minus 10 both are negative, so third quadrant. Minus 1 comma 2 minus and plus second, so 1 comma minus 1, 1 is positive, plus and minus, so fourth quadrant like here. So here observe minus to both are negative, third quadrant. Minus plus means second quadrant. Plus and minus, so it will come fourth quadrant. This is also one of the example. So minus 1 comma 0 lies on which quadrant? So here y coordinate is 0. That's why minus 1 comma 0 minus 1. So x values are there. That's why the point on x-axis. So if you plot the points and if you join, you'll get maybe triangle shape, trapezium shape, like a rectangle shape, either rhombus shape. Finally, so to locate the position of an object or a point in a plane, we require two perpendicular lines. So on them horizontal and the other is vertical. In the plane is called the Cartesian or coordinate plane, and the lines are called coordinate axis. So here the horizontal line is called x-axis and the vertical line is called y-axis. The coordinate axis divides the plane into 4 parts is called quadrants. The point of intersection of the axes are called origin. The distance of a point from y-axis is called its x-coordinate or abscissa, and the distance of the point from x-axis is called y-coordinate or ordinate. So the abscissa of the point is x-axis and the ordinate is y. Then x comma y is called the coordinates of the point. The coordinates of a point on the x-axis are of the form x comma 0. That means on x-axis y coordinates 0, so x comma 0. On y-axis x value is 0, that's why 0 comma y. Origin we discussed 0 comma 0. The coordinates of a point are in the form both are positive first quadrant, plus and minus second quadrant, both are negative third quadrant, plus and minus fourth quadrant, we discuss all. So x not equal to y, x comma y not equal to y comma x, as well as x comma y equal to y comma x, x is equal to y. Thank you.